How to change your email on Expedia app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss a common issue that many users face, that is how to change your email address on Expedia application. So if you've been having difficulty with the process and you're just unsure about what steps to take, don't worry. In this video, we're going to guide you through each step to ensure that you can successfully update your email address. So follow these simple and easy to understand steps that we've laid out for you. So first of all, you will want to open the Expedia application on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. And also make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available. Now navigate to the account section, which you will find located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after you've accessed your account section, scroll down until you come across the options for the security and settings. Here you will need to select the email option, and this will allow you to change your email address as needed. By following these straightforward steps, you will be able to update your email without any hassle. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.